Hello, family and friends. Welcome to my channel. I am your host once again, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you into my home. As today, you guys, I will be sharing with you a fall harvest tablescape. A little bit different than what I'm used to doing, but sometimes you just want to step outside the box and just try something different. So I'm going to ask that you go ahead, grab yourself a cup of coffee, a tea, of whatever it is that you choose to drink, and enjoy this video for me. Now, if you're new, I welcome you to my channel. I thank you so much for stopping by. If you would like to be a part of, just hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, and you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. Now, for all of you that continue to show me so much love and support, you guys know I thank you, I love you, and I appreciate you so much. Now, go ahead, enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. A little bit outside of what I'm used to doing, but I like it. So here we go. Let's fall into harvest with this tablescape.